Yeah, I wonder what the next project's going to be. I'm not done with the door handles just yet. This is just a quick little thing of what I'm going to do. This is a very nice door, and it's kind of slick. When you open the door, it's got, yeah, I'm opening it. It's got a lock at the bottom and at the top. See that down there? Down there, it pops out. That's kind of slick. Once you close it, you pull the door handle up and it throws that one out, and then there's one up at the top of the door too. You see up there? That comes out right up there, and there's a little pocket in the door jamb. This is for added security, see? There's a latch there, as well as here. There's a regular door latch and a deadbolt, and there's one down there. Well, when you close the door, it's all supposed to lock properly right here at the handle. So you pull that up, those throw, and then you can turn the deadbolt. You can't turn the deadbolt, you can't turn it until you push that up and do that. Well, what's happening right now, when I close that and pull up, these aren't latching properly, so I can't throw the deadbolt because the door is sagging. The door is sagging just enough so that I can't get that pin in. And on the side, and if you've been watching my videos, and hope you have, you will see how I've fixed sagging doors before. But see, the gap right here is pretty big, and it's a lot smaller at the bottom. See there? Not as much. The door is sagging just a little bit. You can't really tell very much, but you see on the edge here, the line gap there is smaller than at the bottom. See how big the gap is at the bottom? Now, most doors aren't exactly like that. They're closer, but the idea being that, see right now, for me to lock this door, to pull up, I have to pull up on the door because I'm lifting the door just a little bit. Now I can throw it and latch the deadbolt. Now it's locked. But I can't have my mother do that every single time. So that's on the next video, or somewhere just beyond this video I'm showing you. Keep watching my videos and you'll see how I fix this door. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.